So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can lock and unlock cells in Excel sheet. So sometimes while preparing an Excel sheet, you may want to keep the cells locked and only allow specific cells or field editable. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can do the same in Excel. So watch this video till the end. So let me take you to my computer screen where I'm going to tell you how you can lock and unlock cells in MS Excel. Now as you can see on my computer screen, there is a small form in which I want a user to put in some information like name, age, phone number and address. Now I want that information to be entered in these green fields only, in these green cells only, which means that I don't want the information to be put in any other field except the green ones, which means that I don't want that other cells to be edited. So I want to protect all the cells except the green ones. So in order to do that, first I have to click on the review tab on this Excel sheet, which is given here on top of the screen. So under the review tab, here I am getting an option of a protect sheet here. I have to click on this protect sheet. Now it is asking me to enter a password. So I will simply give a 2-digit password here, and I have to make sure that these two options, the first two options, select locked cell and select unlocked cell, should remain checked. All right, and I will click on the OK button now. The moment I do that, it will give me a prompt again to re-enter the password to proceed further. So I will enter the same password here and I will click on the OK button. The moment I do that, you will see that all the cells in this Excel sheet is now locked, which means that I cannot make any changes or I cannot edit any cell, even these green ones on this Excel sheet, because all the cells are now protected. Now what I want that all the cells should remain protected except the green ones, which means that I can put in the information under these green cells, but other fields, other cells should remain protected. So in order to do that, I have to follow few steps. Now first I have to unprotect the sheet here. I will enter the same password. And now I will select the range which I want to remain unprotected, which I want to be remain editable. Okay. So I will select the range first of all the green cells. I will right click and click on the format cell option. Now here you can see a last tab which is our protection tab, and under the last tab the locked option is checked, which I will uncheck, and now I will click on the OK button. So I have to uncheck this locked option, right? And I have to now I will click on the OK button here. The moment I do that, this green cells will remain unprotected, right? So again I will click on the protect sheet button, enter the same password, click OK, re-enter the password, and you will see that the sheet is protected again. I am not able to make changes in any of the cell, but the moment I go on to the green cell, you will see that I'll be able to enter the information here. So see, green cells are editable. I can input the value, I can make the changes here, but I cannot make changes any other any other cell in the Excel sheet except the green one. So let me fill in the form for you. Name Alex, age let's say 23, phone number, let me put in the any phone number here. Don't try call on this number because it's a fake one. Address Trump Road, just like that. All right. Okay. Once you follow these steps, then you will see that only the selected range, the green one, will remain unlocked, which means that any person can only edit these green cells while the other remain locked or protected. So through this way, you can lock and unlock cells in Excel sheet. You can also protect your sheet completely through this method, or you can allow few ever fields or cells editable or unlocked while your other cells will remain protected or locked. So that's all in today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching it. If you find this video useful, then please do share with your friends and don't forget to like this video. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.